Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon.
Yes. Yes. The African Americans are immigrants who've been here, who have been brought here, who've been being used, a lot of them as sleeper cells, who are popping up now. People like your Akons and your Ratomis, all these people who are supposed to be Nigerian, and you know, they using these people and a lot of entertainment, right, for a reason. They use a lot of these so-called immigrants and a lot of entertainment for a reason. Be it in acting. Notice all the actors are right? They usually come by way of England and Europe, and they send them here to replace Indigenous American actors. You know, that's being done purposely. I said this before. I said a lot of the people that's in the fact not really even like the guy Chipwilla Ejiofor, I think his name is. I think he's supposed to be Nigerian. You could tell this guy's American. A lot of those people are American who was brought into the fact that I told you, we already showed you how the real nigga look. And y'all ain't it. They told me on this. Now Akon, he's we already pointed out how they really look. Right? They got a look to them. They have a set look to them, just like the real Indigenous American people have a set look to them. Which is why the Beast is using a lot of Indigenous Americans who were sent to the fact, whose families were transported to the fact, but he's using a lot of them, bringing them back into America and calling them the new Americans. They're going to be the new Americans. You see this guy Burna Boy, right? You see how they trying to push all this music that sounds like crap? They trying to push out through these immigrants. You see, because they playing a game with them too.
For the complete broadcast, you're gonna have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to Ethnic American Channel with Sister Enra Venzetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American Channel.
And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.